No death penalty for Cocoa Peace mass killer Rushane Barnett. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Director of Public Prosecution, Paula Llewellyn, has pulled the death penalty as a sentencing option for Rushane Barnett, the Trelawney man charged with the June 21 murder of his cousin and her 4 children in Cocoa Place, Chapelton, Clarendon. A sentencing hearing for Barnett is now underway at the Home Circuit Court in Kingston, Jamaica. He pleaded guilty to murdering Kemisha Wright and her 4 children in July. Their bodies were discovered by a relative inside their home with chop wounds and what appeared to be laceration to their necks. The forensic psychologist who examined Barnett revealed that Barnett had a tendency to be superficial, referring to a habit of being smooth and slick. The forensic psychologist also revealed that Barnett lacked openness, does not accept responsibility, is unreliable, displays antisocial behavior, and lacks empathy. Barnett reportedly admitting to taking the life of 5 of his family members, but said that voices in his head told him to do it. He further added that he had been hearing voices in his head since he was 18 years old. Social media sensation L.A. Lewis was on hand and captured this moment with the grandmother of the victims.
As a mother, if she had a child, if she don't have a child, I wouldn't expect no better from her because she don't have a child. She don't bear a child. But if she bear a child of her own, she would know what I am going through. She would know what I am feeling inside of me. You understand? And I don't see why. At first, she shouldn't even take up that case. She should never take up that case because the boy murdered my child and my grandchildren, and she take up that case, and then she's coming like he is trying to defend him. That is what I am saying in there. She's trying to defend him. She's trying to tell the judge, like he want the judge to tell the judge what to do or what to ease up on the boy. That murderer that murdered my daughter and my grandchildren. It's our job, of course. I know that. But if she bear the pain that I feel, well, then she don't get up and say nothing. Well, to God be the glory. I feel hurted and I feel painful for what he has done to my son, to my daughter and my grandchildren. But yes, when I look at it, I am a child of God. I am serving a God over my head, and I know that God is there with me in that courtroom. So all I have to do is just cry. All I could do is just cry and call upon my God in my mind. You know? Yes, I just focus on my God. I don't focus on Jake. Focus on God. He's lying. He's lying. He don't hear no voices. That's what he did have in his mind all along.
Premeditated.
He don't hear no voices. No voices at all he don't hear. No hobby. He's lying. He's just wicked. He's just wicked. And wicked people must go down. They must go down. Because they're wicked. No murderer not supposed to sit down and eat taxpayer money. And have uncomfortable. No. That is not right. You take 5 lives and you still want to live? No. Well, I am saying to the judge, All I can say,
Do the right thing.
do the right thing in the sight of God and man. Know that I want justice for my daughter and my grandchildren. I know the judge is supposed to have children, get children. And he wouldn't like to know that someone brutally murder his children then in cold-blooded and go scot-free. No, he wouldn't like that. So I am telling and asking him kindly in the name of Jesus Christ to give that boy what he deserves.
Do you want the DPP 60 years? 9 months?
Well, if he get that, that would be,
Like 80 something
he
before he
believe.
comes
But
out.
I would look, I thought they were giving him 125 years for the 5 of them that he killed. 25 each a year for them. It's 5 kids. So he should get 25 years each for one of them. So it was 125 years I am expecting him to get. With no parole. Yes, because he deserved to get what he did. He's supposed to stand up for what he did. Yes.
Safe travel back. Thanks for you on October 20th.
Yeah, God bless you. Because the 24th is my birthday.
24th of October?
Yeah.
Because her birthday was September
September 13, I cried all day. I cried all day. When I get up in the morning, I said, I can even call my daughter to say happy birthday, my daughter. You understand? I cried all day. All day I am crying. When they look at my eyes them red. They said, what's wrong with you? I said, I was crying. Because today is my daughter's birthday. And I have no one to call and tell her happy birthday. Or me and she gone to Maypen, gone buy something. You understand? So, it's been painful for me all along. From this thing happened, from this murderer kill my daughter and my grandchildren. I don't know myself. I am not there. I am my shop up here and I hardly had my shop. Because every time I sit down, it's them I see running come to me, my grandchildren, then mama, school open. I don't have nobody to look on. They come, they always have take their snap and whatever, no one. So tell me, how they expect that murderer to sit down, eating taxpayer money, fat and look good, and me down here stressed out, maga, no one to counsel me, no one to guide me, no one to even talk to me. And I am the one that feeling the pain. I am the one that feeling it. I am the one that going through. You understand? I am the one that feeling the pain and suffering of my daughter and my grandchildren. So why no one is there for me to give me counsel, to give me, and that murderer is getting counsel, is getting all what comfort and whatever. No, it is not fair. It is not right. It is not right in the sight of God. It is not right. And I need justice. I need justice. I need justice.
Can I have a number for you?
842-5043.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, God bless you.
We'll get you one. We'll step on the push up on them. By now next month. And the liar, the wicked. The liar there is like she had a killer too. You ready? I was watching them.
Go down, you people them down there with the
Yeah, I know.
black support. You see them?
Yeah, me and him down there. Oh, yeah, grandma. I want to see the boss lady too. Yeah, man, grandma. All right. Don't worry yourself now.
Where's the man? Everything I report with.
Yeah, we're going to turn on the pressure on him.
Happy day.
Yeah, sir.
No food. I get time. Happy day. Ready?
You will learn.
Call the phone number.
What about you want?
so disappointed in Miss Harris that have my nephew case, because she is pleading for my nephew, and she didn't know that or see that the mother of the daughter and the grandchildren is hurting, is pain all over her. She's crying tears day and night, and she is pleading for the murderer. Huh? You want the murderer to get 45 years? Tell me now, if she did have a daughter and grandchildren that someone came and murdered, would she plead for them to give them 45 years? Would she plead for them to count down for the murderer? I would like to ask her that, because I guess she don't have a child, so she don't know the pain and grief that a mother bear to carry her child. So I guess she don't have a child, and if she have a child, I don't think she would stand up and say what she say, because she would feel the pain and grief that I am going through as a mother. The one daughter. The three boy cannot do what a daughter do, you know. Because if I am sick and lying down in the bed, the son them cannot come and tidy me up. But the daughter can do that. So I just want to ask Miss Harris if she had a daughter and would know the grief and pain mother bear to bring her daughter, blow in buckle to bring her daughter, and the murderer just took her life, snatched her soul. Just so. She never sick and die. That means say, you know, it's sickness. The boy just cut her off like that, and to do what she had to do, and to grow, see her daughter grow up. This is not fair. It is not fair. This is not fair. This is totally wrong. Totally wrong. Mrs. Paula Lewin, she said 60 years and 9 months. She's really a mother. She knows the pain and grief that I am going through. At least because I was looking for 125 years, 25 years for each of my kids then. Yes. Because he deserved that. He deserved that. You can't just take 5 lives in this space of a minute, and then you want to sit and comfortable, and our lawyer is gonna say that he's getting counseling. And what about me? What about the mother that loses those 5 people? What about me? Am I not need counseling? Am I not need someone around me to comfort me in my grief and pain? Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. I know why God had done me to be one of his servants. Because he know what was going to happen to me. And he gave me the strength and courage to fight up till this blessed moment. And I thank him for that. I thank my God for that. To keep holding on me. To keep me to go through this pandemic situation that I am going through. And I thank the others, strangers, family, in my community, everyone that surrounded me and give me the strength to hold on. I am grateful for that, and I thank them. Mr. L.A. Lewis, big up to the board, because you never leave me out. You always be a supporter for me. No matter what, the Maroon crew, they always stand by me. No matter what I am going through, they always there. When they don't WhatsApp me, they said, Mama Gwen, Nana Gwen, you all right? Is there anything I can do for you? They supported me up till this blessed moment. They are supporting me, and I am grateful for that. I thank them so much, and may God bless and keep them. Yes. Mr. Big Stone, he said he couldn't make it. He's one of my dearest friends to me. Said he's sick. So he called me this morning. He said, Mama Gwen, I am sorry, but I am not going to be there. I said, God be with you, my brother. God be with you. Thank you so much. Do you understand? I am just walking. It's my knee, dear, swell. Look on it. It's swell. I can hardly go. But by the strength of God, I am moving on. And I know I am going to get my justice by the help of God, because he look high, he sit high, and he look down low. And I know he's going to give me what the desire of my heart. And Jet, as otherwise called Rushane Barnett, he has.
Rushane Barnett also stated that he was being obeyed, which is why he carried out the heinous act. Paula Llewellyn said in a statement that the starting point for Barnett's sentencing should be life in prison and not being eligible for parole until he serves 60 years behind bars. According to Llewellyn, anything less than that sentencing would be a shock to the public conscience. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.